Slicer plays a very important role while interacting with Power BI reports. In this video, we will understand the basic use of it, how we create it, and we will cover controlling of slicer means which visuals are affected by a slicer, syncing with slicers on other pages, and filtering and formatting slicers. You can also sync two or more slicers with which we are created with two different data sources to sync it with different separate slicers which you will mark as a part of group. We can understand it with the help of a business case scenario like we have sales in different countries. For example, you have four countries. So if you want to see data for all four countries in separate by one, so then how you will do? You will create four reports for each country or you will create a filter. So the best option is you can create a slicer and select that selected country and you will see the data for that country only. So this is how we use slicers. It is another way of filtering. They are displayed on the report page and narrow the portion of the semantic model that is shown in other report visualizations. We can see this by developing it in Power BI report. Let's go to our Power BI report now. So first we will understand our data, what we have. So we have two different stores. This is store 1. This has order ID, order date means all the order details are available here. Segment, city, state, region, market, like that. And we have same table as store 2 orders as well, but there is no relationship between store 1 and store 2. We will see it in the model view. So this also has order ID and other things like customer ID, customer name, country, and all details. And this is the pupil means person and its region. And this is the returns. So how many returns have been made on for which order ID it has been made. So we go to model view. We see this store orders is connected with this order ID with return table. But there is no connection between store 1 and store 2. So these are two separate data. Okay. So we will see why we have created this separate just to group it and we'll see how we can sync the two other data means which are not related. So let's go here. This one is slicer basically. So we'll create a slicer and we will give some reason or something means whatever we want to filter it. So first we will give it as a market. So there are multiple markets like Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, and so on. So we will see how we can format it. So this is the slicer setting, which kind of slicer we want to look at. Like it is kind of tile, it is kind of drop down, means from drop down you can select that particular region or market. So selection as well means multi-select and single select and show select all option. So select all, if you click on this all option is available here. You can see here select all. If you close it, this select all option will be gone. You are not able to see here select all, right? So this is for select all. This is for multi-select means multi-select how you can do. If you directly click on this, it will select only one. But if you will do control plus click, then it will select for two or three, means multiple selections we can do with control plus click. And this is for single select, means every time it will not allow you to select multiple. So if you do with control click as well, means it will select only one. So this is for the single select. So this is kind of selections, how we use it. So which one you want to keep? For now, we will keep multi-select here. This is for slicer header, means what should be the text. Here you can change it, change the formatting as well, change the format color or keep it bold like that. You can define border as well. You can see top border or all borders you can define it, means top, bottom for this means this is for that slicer header only. Okay, and we can give some background as well. Means if you want to give some background color to market, so this is how we do. And this is for the values. Means values how you want to see. Means values are these ones. These. So you can see here if we increase the size, you can see size is increased. If you want to keep it bold, bold also it will do. So next we will go to other settings as well. So this was the slicer settings. This was for header. Values also we have seen. Now go to this properties here, title. If we want to keep any title, then we will keep it on. And if you want to show some effects like background or something, so that also we can do. Like we can select any background. So you can see here background is this one. And you can make the transparency as well. So for now we will close this background. This is for visual border. Border we can give, and we can give shadow as well. Shadow currently it is outside, so we have multiple options. Means it is outside currently. We can keep it inside as well. This is for bottom right. We can keep it center as well. Means for all sides it will show some shadow. So this is for the market one. Similarly, we can keep other slicers as well. So which next you want to keep it category? Okay, we can see we can keep it as a tile as well. This is vertical list, so tile we can select. So if we select the tile, you can see how we can shape it. Fine. Okay. So we can give the same formatting like this one. Like we go here, format painter and click on here. You can see now. Means actually the space is very less here. That's why it is coming as a short one. Apart from this, we can give date filters as well. So select a slicer again, give a date filter. So which date you want to give? Order date. Okay. Here we can select date hierarchy as well, and we can select year. There are multiple options for date slicers, means different formatting options. So this is basically tile drop down between less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. This comes with the numerical values only, or the date features. So this is between. So we can drag it and just to select those dates here. We can apply same formatting options from here like format painter and click on here. If you want to increase this values size, then go to values, keep it bold. Fine. So now let's see how it works. So we will create a pie chart here. We'll filter some, we'll give some data like count of order ID in all the regions or all the region is fine. Yeah. So if we select furniture, then values are changing. Or if we select the year, then also it is changing. If you are not able to see, we can increase a size of little bit. We can, we can give same formatting to here as well. And then we can change the size of those values. Legends. This is text, and here we can increase the size. This is here we are increasing the size. Keep it bold so that you can easily see. So this is how we do it. So if you select any different region or market, you can see the values are changing, right? So this is the working of a slicer here. So if you have multiple slicers or multiple pages, then we will see how we can do it. We can create a pie chart, donut chart here, and we will count the profit from different regions, or we can say different countries. Market also we can select. So here also we will get increase the size little bit for the detail labels. Go to values, increase the size, keep it bold so that you can easily see. So if you select any filter here, you need to see it should work on second page as well. You can understand here it is 88.87K. Let's see this one. If we select this is not changing, right? So why this is not changing? Because we need to keep the filter of keep the property of sync slicer. So sync slicers, where is it? Go to view, sync slicers, select a slicer. This we will sync on page 1 and page 2. Same we will do for this one as well, page 1 and page 2. Means which page we want to sync it, we can keep the checkbox on. So it is basically showing here as well. So if you don't want to show it on the on all the pages, then we can remove it from here. So this market you will not be able to see here. You can see, right? So same thing we will do here as well. If you don't want to see it on page 2, then we can remove that checkbox. Same for this one as well. If you don't want to see on page 2, then we can remove from here. So no slicers are available on page 2. Only you can see the data, and you can see if you change the slicer or change the value, then this will be changed. You can see 79.46K. Now you don't have selected anything. This is for lemtem. And if you select all those, control plus click. So let's see this one now. So you can see here, three market regions are selected and it is showing the profit. So now this is clear now. This sync slicer, how we do and how it works. Now go to this advanced options. So for advanced options, what we can do, we have two tables, right? This store one orders and store two orders, and there is no linking between these two. So if we select, put any filter from this table, then this will not work in this one. So how to work this kind of data? So what we will do for a market, this one is showing as a advanced option here. It is showing as market group, right? So what we will do, this is for the this store one. Same thing we will do for the store 2 as well, and let's see if it works or not. So create a pie chart here, fill the values from store 2. Is profit, Where is profit? This one. Where is market, region, anything? Region is fine. So this is the region wise profit we are showing here. Okay. Keep it aligned here. For this as well, we can give some formatting like so you can see the data. So you can see the data, right? So if we select anything from this table, then it will not work because we don't have any relationship between this and this filters. Because this is from store 1 and this data is from store 2. So how we will do it? So this is for market. Let's see this one as well, means here also it will not give any filtering. Only this one is changing, but this one is not changing. So how we will do it? So we'll keep one more filter. Sorry. And here we will select market. Where is market? Market is not there. So we'll select region here. And here also we can keep the same thing, means region. So here are there are multiple regions, but here not like that. So when we will group it, so what is the group name here? Market. So same thing we can see here. We will give market. So if we give this region, then if we select it from here, means Caribbean, it will add it here. And it will filter for that Caribbean data. So that's why the data is not available here. So if we select any other Central America, it will add here, but there is no data for Central America. That's why it is not coming here. So there is no any similar option here or value. That's why it is not showing. But if we keep it west, then it will show all the data for region west. So like that, it will do. And it will sync all the data, means this one and this one both according to its condition, means region should be west in this one and this one as well. So that's how the filter works or string slicer works with multiple advanced options. So this is the basic working of advanced option here. We can control the visuals as well, means which one we need to select or which one we need to refresh while selecting these visuals. So we can go to format option and then edit interactions. So if we click on this, this is for none, means it will not give the filter on this visual. So this is not to apply filters, this is to apply filters. So if we clicked on this, then if we select anything here, it will not make any effect on this visual. You can see here now, like this it will work. So similarly, if we do the same thing from this here as well, means go to format, edit interactions. If we keep on none, then it will not select. So region we select Caribbean. You can see here it is not changed, but this one is changed, right? So this is how it works. If you want to keep it off, then keep on filter, then it will interact again. You can see here. So this is all kind of working with slicers. You can use it according to your report or your requirement. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, YouTube Power BI Guru. Thank you.